Greetings everyone, this is Sudhakar. In this video, I will guide you how to convert your Python file into the .exe. So normally it's a .exe, it's the application oriented. You are just promoting your Python file into the applications related as a code. For the conversion methods, you have to install the particular as a packages for the converting method. Suppose if you didn't the download the proper as a packages, you definitely get an error. So while you are running the code or the converting the method. So in this videos only is the based on how to convert your Python file into .exe. So Python having some more packages for easy to solve that is all these issues. So in this ways we just only the focusing on is a PyInstaller. PyInstaller, this package is used for converting your Python file into .exe. That's application oriented is the file. So the first step is you need to install is the pip install. That's a PyInstaller. You can get it from as your browser, and at the same time you can download it as a zip file. You just promoting your zip file into the particular the Python package, that folder. That is the under the easy way is the pip install is a PyInstaller. You just copy this one and paste it in your the command prompt. We don't need that any other software for the converting methods. All this the things are available in your system. Just go to your as command prompt and give that a pip install the PyInstaller. Wait for a couple of minutes for is the running your code. So it shows like is the requirement already satisfied because I have already installed these packages for my as a task. So I have already converted my Python file into .exe. Suppose if you didn't have this the PyInstaller, so kindly install it. Then after that you will do the second procedure. So .exe file the conversion method. So no need to do it everything is in your the same as the compilers, like it's a PyCharms. So you can open that console. So few of them is to go like that. It's a longly process, so you have to convert that everything. So this is the easy way method. You just go to the folders where your code has available. So here so my code is available on my as a data science intern task1 / task2 and the sample. Here I have is given my Python file. So just click that the bar, then type as a cmd. It's directly redirect your path in your command prompt. Okay. So after that, so what you have to do is you have to give that the second the syntax for the converting method. So which is the PyInstaller one file dot slash hi.py. Here my file is the hi.py. So that I have as a given hi.py. Suppose if you have as a given the name is xyz, so you can provide it. So make note of it. So you have to provide the proper names of your the Python file. So then only it will also create your .exe, or else it just provides mode box. Now we try to run this program. Here is a PyInstaller, so one file, which means that it just we are giving that so one Python file for the conversion, so that it just provide that. So one is the .exe. If we can do that is the multiple file with this the multiple is the Python, so we can do it. But so here we only focusing on one file the conversion method. It started. So here the process is only analyzing the packages already available in our systems. Suppose if the package is not available, so automatically it's downloading all the packages for as creating the .exe. It takes a couple of minutes for as creating the .exe. So here you can be able to see it automatically is provide as a build and as a dist the high dot aspect. After running that command, it just is create one's .exe file. So you can view it from dist that folder. So it just looks like it's a command prompt. So in this command prompts, you have to say give that user input. Suppose if you have the implemented user input on your as a program, so you have to say input here. Then after that, it just is to do the automated as a process. So because the backend is everything as a created, so what you have is given in this the Python file, it just is to create all those the libraries, then everything is at the back side. Then it just to provide us as a front end. So this is my code for my Python file. If I'm running this as .exe, it will ask the URL. Then after that, it just is move to doing this scrapping the procedures. So that's all about creating .exe. Suppose if you are using the Jupyter Notebook, so you have to download your Jupyter Notebook into normal Python source code. Then after that, you just move into this procedure. If you are using this PyCharms, you have to do it in the PyCharms, that console also, so you can do. But so better you can do this kind of procedure, that is the easy to identify where you did mistake, and the same time it just has to provide that is step by step with the procedures. It's easy to create as a .exe file. So that's all about this video. So thank you.